Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another video brought to you by Microtech Computer Services. My name is Greg Penby, and today we'll be talking about Coro. Coro is a new spam and phishing prevention platform that uses the latest AI technology to better filter malicious or unwanted emails. In this video, we'll be discussing what to do if you find emails in the suspected folder, which is Coro's version of your junk folder in your Microsoft Outlook. If you open up Microsoft Outlook, you may see a new folder called Suspected. If so, click on that folder and you'll see all the messages in the suspected folder. Highlight the first message and click on the Coro button on the top Outlook ribbon. Depending on the version of Outlook you are running, you may have to click on the three little dots on the right-hand side or the drop-down arrow to view more add-ins. Once you find the Coro button, click on it and you'll have two options to choose from. If the message is truly spam or phishing, you can simply click the Report Phishing button. If the message is safe and expected, click Mark as Safe. If you are unsure of the validity of the email, please forward it to support@micro-tech.com and we will verify and let you know immediately. Once you've made your selection, the selected email will then move into your inbox within a minute or so. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please email support@micro-tech.com or call the office at 954-327-1001. Or you can initiate a support request via the data icon on the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Thank you and have a great day.